Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and today I figure we make a really quick make. So if you missed it last night, we were playing with magicals. Okay, the new Lindy's magicals are here. The You Go Girl, I think is what they're called, if I remember. And of course, we have a full stock of the magicals available in our online store. So make sure you guys check that out. But um, I was just kind of playing around and showing some folks how you could just quickly sprinkle some magicals, add some water, and at the end of the day, just have some really cool pages. So this is what we made yesterday just as a quick 2-minute sample swatch. And I wanted to, this morning, I looked at it and I thought, I'm going to throw it in the drawer of backgrounds that we have. We have a full drawer of just different backgrounds that we make, especially Madison. Madison is great at making backgrounds. And so I was going to throw it in there, and then I thought, that'll be one more page that is going to go into that drawer and then later on, become something. And I thought, why put it away? Why not make a super quick make? And then I thought, well, I could do 2 really quick panels, and then they can either become cards or they can become journal fronts. And I think that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and really quickly put these together and turn them into something. Just quick 10-minute project. Here we go.
Can't turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright.
And just like that, we are done. Super fun and very, very quick, lightning quick projects, but a great way to not add to our um, paper drawer and instead use them up to make some quick cards or panels or maybe even journal covers because they are a really nice size. Don't forget to leave a comment down below because if you don't know, we are giving away gift cards. The more comments are down below, the more gift cards we will give away. So make sure you leave a comment and stay tuned for the announcements of the gift card giveaways. We appreciate you, of course, giving this video a like and also sharing it with some friends. If you found it useful, share it in your crafty groups. And then, of course, to remind you that all of the items that you've seen here and thousands more are available in our online stores. We have SpectrumArtCreations.com, and we also have an Etsy store, same name, Spectrum Art Creations. So make sure you check out both and that you also join us right here on this channel for our live sales. We do live sales every week, sometimes multiple times a week, when you can actually come and see the product live. You can also shop live right on the spot. You can chat live and have new friends, enjoy the games and giveaways that we do. All of it from the comfort of your home. And of course, when you are done shopping, all of your items will be shipped directly to your door so you can start enjoying them in a matter of days. Also, make sure you check out our Facebook group. If you are on Facebook, you definitely want to join the Facebook group because we do a lot of fun stuff. When you request to join, a quick reminder, make sure that you go ahead and answer the questions because otherwise your request is automatically declined. So don't forget to answer those questions. That's just something so that we know we can keep our group nice and safe for you all. In the group, guess what? There are even more challenges. There are giveaways. We do all kinds of fun stuff, and additional gift cards can be won in the Facebook group too. So again, make sure you join the Facebook group. If you are not already subscribed, we hope that you consider ringing that bell and the subscribe button. And of course, you stay tuned because on this channel, we do a lot of fun stuff, whether it's sales, tutorials, classes and craft alongs, new product alerts, giveaways, challenges, and so much more. I'm going to leave that other video here so that you guys can go check out the magicals and then some other little demos that we did. I think you'll find that very fun as well. We hope to see you there. All right, I'll see you in the next video.